Wow! Winces! Grabe, nakakakilabot! What a performance! Oh my goodness!
Thank you po.
Hanep!
Good job!
Wow, what?
Good job!
Ano masasabi natin? Okay, coaches. I'm sure sapat na sapat, higit pa ang naging performance ni Winces dito. Pero syempre, ano bang gusto niyo sabihin? Because probably this is like the final opportunity for you to say something. Coach Julie, ikaw muna.
Winces, you know, I'm so proud of the lady you have become. Coming from Jules Squad at napunta ka kay Coach Billy, talagang alam na alam ko na nagabayan kanya ng sobrang tama. At maganda ang naging resulta ng lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hard work mo. Congratulations sa'yo. I've had goosebumps all over. And I think it's time para may sabihin si Coach Billy. Congratulations, Winces. Congratulations sa'yo. I'm so proud of you.
At syempre sa iyo, Coach. Coach Billy.
Naiyak ako. No, I'm just so... I'm just really proud of you, Winces. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo dahil yung journey mo from feeling defeated nung natanggal ka the first time and for someone to give you a second chance. Ito lang yung masasabi ko sa'yo, Winces. Whether you win or you lose, you will always have a chance because God has given you this talent.
For sure.
That's right. Kaya, take this opportunity, itong oportunidad na nasa harapan mo, itong pagkakataon na pag-perform mo. Kaya ako naiiyak dahil panalo ka na kahit papaano. You've already made your mark. Pinakita mo, pinarinig mo sa aming lahat kung ano yung binigay ng Panginoon sa iyo ay yung pag-aawit mo, yung boses mo. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, Winces. Great job.